I'm just like going through these Twitters with my friends, and I'm sneakily recording because I'm an asshole. Anyway, we got Atheist Mom here flying the Blizzard for World of Warcraft sucking. We can get anything for dealing with this because no one can log on. Where is another one? There was another funny one. This one, Grant. Small indie company. Yeah, well, Blizzard is a small indie company, dude. Okay, here's another one from Soxy Poppy. Started the Jaina quest, and she proceeded to teleport her into the side of a rock, and then she ported me, causing me to fail. I'm unable to die and unable to log in. I get instantly disconnected. I'm stuck and nothing will work. I even did the repair tool. I think he tried to use like reinstall WoW repair tool to try and get his character unstuck.
Yo.
Yo.
Hey, Bevy.
What up, gamers?
Gamers, where?
Yeah, there's no video games to play. How can I be a gamer?
You guys are gamers. Shut up.
Anyway, I'm looking through Blizzard's Twitter because it's funny.
That's what I was telling you.
Oh, some guy posted a fucking sloth going haha gif.
What's going on, brothers?
None of us can get on WoW.
Really? Is everybody just disconnecting?
No, that probably won't happen until like midnight. That's probably when it'll actually be playable.
Great.
Yeah, because everyone won't be trying to connect anymore.
Yeah, they'll all be like productive adults and go to sleep. Which is when I'll get my XP lead.
That shit's whack, bro. I don't get off work till like 11 p.m. Eastern time, so hopefully by then it's fixed.
Johnny Gaming says, at this point, my 3 streams on Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube fail. So bad, affecting my reputation and sub numbers. Where can I refund? I just purchased it to have good experience, not this dog crap. Oh no, Johnny Gaming doesn't know he should be funny. This guy fucking roasts everyone. Most people threatening to cancel their sub probably have the 6-month Xmog set. He's fucking smart. This fucking guy. Yancey. Fucking Yancey. Follow him on Xbox. Ooh. He posted. He posted again. We're able to get. Yes. Fucking Yancey, dude. You know what? No, where do I give him the heart for that one? Fucking Yancey.
Bye, Bevy.
Yay, I'm disconnected again. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, this guy's like thinking of his brain, but you see, you don't say it out loud. It's funny to watch them get mad, Mr. CS man. Period. Apparently, not all the streamers are having no issue. This guy says, "Please fix. My whole guild is able to play and I can't. I'm very sad and this doesn't feel great, man." He's 6. He just wants to play the video game. This one's good. Kevin, this one's pretty good. 3 hours of trying to log in. I was hoping that at least once a launch would go somewhat smoothly, but this has been my experience in every expansion since WoD. Got work tomorrow. I'm going to bed. Hope you figure out how to launch an expansion eventually. He's
Like they
talking
give a
like he's the director. He's talking like he's the disappointed director at Blizzard. Ooh. That was a good.
Oh, this is hilarious.
This guy says is a top contender for the worst launch in history. No, this is pretty par for the course for WoW launch.
Yep. Dude.
I can't even get in the. Oh, I'm getting in the game server now. Nice.
I closed everything out and there was new shit on the login or on the Battle.net app.
Are you actually getting into the game, or are you just?
I'm not. I'm black screen.
This guy says bought the game and it doesn't even work.
Oh.
I love it. I'm shaking from how hard I'm laughing. I love this so much. Imagine making plans to play with your friends, then all of them can log in, but you. Good stuff.
Right? Imagine wanting to play a game and level with people you know, right?
I've legit never been able to level in a group because, like, I'm impatient as fuck and I usually run ahead if they take a break.
This
Yeah,
one
like,
guy.
the
Why not
secret is you don't
restart
take a
the fucking
break.
server checkers? Support 101. Turn it off and back on.
Don't be sorry, be better.
Well, I mean, I don't know what they're doing, but I mean, I find it really hard to believe that with sharding and how their server setup is, that they don't have the ability to spin up and reassign a different, like Area 52 to different servers so that they can handle the load.
Handle the load.
So, you
Come.
know, I'm just saying, I find this very unacceptable.
I've clicked on the
That-
portal at 6:01. Still haven't been able to play.
This one chick said it right. Because I love to see you people shit bricks because you expect perfection and always will have something to complain about. It's entertainment for me. Sorry, not sorry.
Can't blame.
I saw one guy who made a post and then 10 minutes later commented on his post, or didn't but commented on the same post again saying, "I'm in now, thank you, Blizzard." That was basically what he was like. He was like, "Oh man, I can't get in." And he goes, "I'm in. Yay." I love these gamer comments. F, huge F. You know you're a gamer when you say nothing constructive. This guy's upset that he like booked off 3 hours to log in today and he just can't even get on. In a week from now, nobody's gonna remember this, and then they're all gonna be like, "Oh yeah, when's the next launch? This is great."
Yep. That's the same way it was last XPath. Though.
That's how it always is. Especially for like big new content, anyways.
Somebody said it was it since Activision took it over. I remember when Blizzard was by itself and you were off for fucking a long time.
Karen! God, this is a fucking meme account. Their name is Karen. And it says, "My senator says they are sending you a notice. This is unacceptable. Hopefully this is being elevated." Come on, don't troll the small indie company, man. Oh, this one's spicy. This guy's name is Systemic Racism. People should get fired for this, but it won't happen. Welcome to Biden's America. Shit, Biden's gotta run the WoW servers, Kevin.
There we go.
That'll just solve everything. You know, in Trump's America, the launch would have been fine. Like, wasn't Battle for Azeroth's launch perfect when it was Trump in charge? Woo! You're a fucking idiot. This guy's smart. This guy goes, "Easy to apologize when you already have our money in your pocket, huh? 3 hours and no resolution." Fucking Simpsons pro. Fucking Simpsons. 16 years. Fucking Simpsons. Oh, hello, Simpson. What is that? He's actually in the Simpson house. Oh. No! Yimmy Wang! Get back, brother! Illidan friend! Character here. It doesn't quite work like that. Fucking worthless. 8! Fuck! This is a good one, okay. Okay, I can tell this one's gonna be good. 8 fucking X-Packs! 8! How can you all not figure this shit fucking out? People plan their whole fucking week around this shit and you fail again! No wonder people play Classic. It's because they can't rely on retail working correctly when new shit comes out. Classic's dead, mate! Nobody cares about Classic anymore. But no, it was also this bad at Classic. There was like 5-hour long queues to log in. So like Classic had this when it first came out too. You fucking trog. No, I'm at the bottom. No! Daddy Blizzard, give me more. A52, yep, that's what we're all waiting for. A52, baby. Hasn't it? They probably have smaller fucking games. Alright, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, Thanos snapped out the portal, boy.
I think it's conspiracy.
I think Blizzard's letting Asmongold get 60 before they let us play.
Probably.
Asmongold, you're level 60 now. Open the gates for everyone else. It's sus as
How else
fuck.
will Asmongold be able to say he was world first 60?
Unga boonga, me play warrior, me press charge. Now me hit execute cause you got them low for me. Thank you.
He plays Fury too. He plays like the full retard warrior.
Why? ARMS is like so much more fun. Actually, I know why. One of my friends explained it to me. She said, I like big weapons and I get 2 of them.
I like ours because nothing's more satisfying than hitting someone once and just watching their health just yeet off of them.
I like it when they try to run away, but they have like so many dots that it's pointless.
And you're like, yeah, you can run away, then you leap execute, and you're like, haha, goodbye.
And then like, I don't know. I like shattering their armor, because that's fun.
I don't know. Arms is just so fun because it's just about hitting them really hard, where Fury's like, let me just tickle you for a while.
Does this affect the logins to other Blizzard games? This
No.
guy's asking the real shit. Oh, he has 2 replies. Let's read them. No, how do I discard? How do I do this? My push hotkey is 5. This guy's explaining that like how he can get on other stuff and it's fine for him. This is why I have a Twitter account, Kevin, just to read through the Blizzard CS on Blizzard launches.
I think that's the only reason I have one.
Oh, and to harass one of my friends because they only talk on Twitter, it seems, and I have to fucking call them shit every day.
I rarely ever go on my social media.
Oh yeah, should I leave the pirate chat server? I don't know. I think they know. I think they noticed that I just kind of left without saying anything.
Surprised I didn't boot you out.
I don't get booted from anything.
Creona's playing Diablo.
Maybe if I like started streaming to Twitch, they'd let me play. You just like start streaming, they instantly hand you the key to play. This guy says, shouldn't be this way. Played since vanilla. You'd think they'd fucking prepare it all. Realistically, they probably do prepare, but they always like underpredict because, I don't know, just the amount of stress being put on their hardware. Apparently Destiny 2 had like a new expansion recently, Kevin, and it was like also really bad to try and join. Oh, this one's good. Got into the maw, fell off thinking death would occur. Then I got DC'd and back to the permanent login loop I was in for an hour and a half, or 2.5 hours. Anything I can do? Can Blizzard unstuck my character? Oh, he's on Area 52. Okay, he knows what we're going through. Sorry, buddy. Servers are dead. Wait, can I like comment? Area is borked. Yeah, I'm a greasy cum slug. Yeah. This guy wants a free server transfer because he's constantly DCing.
Don't they still give you free server transfers off of high pops?
If there's like, if the server's having problems because the population's too
Ha,
high, they'll let you do
Diablo's down too now.
it. Nice!
The Diablo game servers are down right now.
I hope so. Fuck. Selective memory. This guy's saying that BFA didn't have a 3-hour wait period at launch.
Had like a fucking 2-week one for Storm Raid.
The only way you were getting on for like those first 2 weeks is if you logged on at a time everyone was logging off and kept your character on.
There we go. Diablo's back.
El Diabolo. Follow my boy Justin Negus at twitter.com. He's pretty good. I worship him. He said, Illidan Sword Rage quote at me because he's beautiful. Justin Negus is a beautiful dwarf, but I don't know. He doesn't post on Twitter, but he's beautiful. Hi, Austin. If you can request one here. Okay, I gotta take a screen cap of that. That's funny. I'll send this to my friend Austin. Where is it?
Kavasi's come online.
Who needs to edit when you can just make garbage content like this and upload it to fucking YouTube? Fuck yeah, like 6 people are gonna find this funny. And this will be like my only record when the aliens come. Nexor. Okay, I want to see what Nexor is saying. Nexor. Oh no. Area 52 is borked. Okay, let's see. Wait, what's this guy saying? That guy who was saying he was streaming to 3 things, some guy responded in the comments saying, "You have 5 followers." This 5 followers streamer is upset he's gonna lose a follower.
He's losing 20% of his followers, man.
It's a whole 1.
if you say it by percentage, man.
Man, Gerald doesn't like looking at loading screens. It scares him. The worst part is, it's a fucking furry that fucking told him that, like, he has 5 followers. He's getting shit talked by a fucking furry. Oh. Oh, getting fucked. The world needs more heroes. I enjoy a game where there's a bunch of stun mechanics. Yeah. Oh fuck, I fucked up, Blizzard. No! Don't kill me, Blizzard! I'm making video for you! Alright, multi-billion dollar company. Multi-dollar company. This guy called Blizzard a multi-dollar company. Blizzard has a whole $3 to spend on servers, dude. What? Why am I getting... No, Blizzard! Don't do this!
Smart like stick.
No! I told one guy that Area 52 was fucked. Or borked. And Blizzard commented at me saying, I'm sorry you're having trouble on Area 52. Have you tried purchasing Call of Duty Cold War from our launcher? It's on sale for full price.
That's that troll, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it is a troll.
It's not the actual Blizzard
No.
CS.
I wish it was, because that would have been funny to just try to sell me Call of Duty. There was nothing in that last part I liked. Call of Duty? Full price? Only World of Warcraft. Some guy just started advertising Call of Duty at me. I want to see more Johnny get wrecked. Fucking weeb. Don't know. Don't know. Mr. Krabs, dude. Goat. He got goated. Fuck, what's that Magic the Gathering card? It was a goblin, he goads things. That goat got goated. Yancey. He changed his profile picture! What the fuck? This guy's active. Come on, customer support, post again. I need more food. They're not gonna post again until like 20 minutes.
Rarely ever fucking post.
They only post every hour whenever there's a problem.
I think that's what gets a lot of people really pissed off too.
Aside from that, it's just them announcing maintenance and like random garbage. want to follow this guy. He suck. Alright, so this guy says, imagine being on at 8:01 a.m. and not having priority for these people who have been dedicated. Well, now we gotta stare at a black screen while people who logged in 30 minutes ago get to play, actually cucking your dedicated player base. The entitlement in these comments is reaching critical mass. Dang, that guy's, he knows why we're here. No. Man, disconnected some. Oh, this guy got on, right? But only one of his other 5 friends in his group got on, so they've just been sitting in Ogrimmar for 5 hours, apparently, waiting for his boys. There's, today isn't the only last day of your life. You can play other days. Life goes on. A cab. I'll take a cab. Okay, this guy says, I've been playing since BC, and this is the worst launch I've seen. Others have had some hiccups, but never have I ever been disconnected, unable to log on, and have the game tell me I have 0 characters. How you be playing since BC?
Obviously, he hasn't played during a launch.
How you be playing since BC and claiming like these things that happen all the time don't happen?
Fuck happened when they introduced dungeons. Never mind.
Whenever they introduce a new raid, the servers can potentially fucking get borked. You'll get to DC! This person... I can only imagine this in a Russian accent. You'll get to DC. Just... What? Also from Storm Rage. Every hour we spend cringing at the keyboard trying to get in, you should start rewarding us for 3 days like you used to. That's Blizzard, not Activision, buddy. And you owe me some snacks. Going through mine fast, they sit here pissed off. So stop eating them, dude, or go watch TV. Okay, that was funny. Sloth man. Bro! That's a good one. Some guy posted a potato with a bunch of plugs in it, connecting to a World of Warcraft symbol on a platform. That's a good one. Oh, I'm dead again. How dare anyone actually get to play the game that you have to buy every month? Everybody should take it easy on the small indie company. Here's my thought process. I just don't try to log in at once. Even though I'm trying to do the same thing. But I'm not upset about it. I'm laughing because it's funny.
No, you just get mad. What's it gonna change?
Like this, it's like this Simpsons GIF. I think I found it. Dude, I post it in here too. I gotta show my boy Kevin it. Like, this is raw footage of me fucking losing my mind. There we go, Kevin. That's what the servers are like right now. You know, I'm gonna post this on one of the Twitter things. Simp, go here. What the fuck? I mean, that is what's happening, though. You know, we get to see this like every 2 or 3 years. Just everyone get mad. It's great.
Hell yeah.
When's the next American election? Because I think that's the next time people are going to be mad again.
No, there'll be a Blizzard thing by then.
Yeah, probably Overwatch 2. That'll piss people off. Oh shit, Stepman! What are you doing here, Stepman? Why are like all these main characters here that just randomly Stepman of all people? Why like, these are main characters. That's a playable main character. Okay, that makes sense. I don't really know who that is. I think that's like Destiny or something. I don't know. Hearthstone, whatever. It's like the innkeeper I would have put there, but fucking Statman. Statman, oh, Statman. My boy Statman over there. Thingos might be enough.